Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. So, for today's video guys, ayan, I have a boy leg. Ayan, yung boy leg siya na, yeah, like a mini shirt or mini panty. Okay, so, I bought this in the mall. Ito yung tira ng mga nakaraan ko. Okay, so I have this one, a cream one, and a black one. Cream muna tayo guys, okay? If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe everyone. Thank you so much. Like and share, okay? This one guys is, ayan, large ni siya guys, large. And then, I really like this one kasi this is my new favorite, okay? My new favorite. Nisuot ko siya during my stream. Double siya guys, double. And then, very comfortable yung kanyang quality. I really like it guys. So, that's why guys, you can see me in other color wearing this in my stream. I really like it, okay? So, this one guys is a nice, okay, a very sexy one, ganyan siya. And then ayan, maganda yung kanyang quality guys. So same food siya dito sa same with the black one, okay? The black one also, black is beautiful, always fit to me, and also good good color to my skin also. So I really like it guys. Okay, ganito siya, ayan, pakita ko lang guys. I really like it. Also, ganito siya sa loob. Double siya sa loob, so it's safe. Hindi siya babakat. Ganon. And then like this, okay? This is boy leg stretch. Ito siya, boy leg stretch siya. So guys, yung ibang kulay nito is na-flex ko na siya. I did videos already with the other color. So ito naman yung dalawang kulay na natitira. So okay. So that's it. Suotin natin to guys. Choose, let me know if which is better to me, this one or the black one, okay? Let's go and wear this. Now, I think it's just sa likod guys. I like it so much guys. Yung fitting siya dito is, I really like it. Ayan, ganyan. And then, I like it guys. Ayan. Kahit ganyan mo siya. I like it. Very comfortable siya guys isuot. Ayan. Nasa likod, ganyan siya. I really like it, yung dito niya guys, see? Talagang ano siya guys, yung hindi siya ma-skip. It's really fit to me. Yan, ganyan siya guys. I really like it guys. So, suot natin ang black. Let's wear ang black kung saan mas maganda, okay? Tingnan natin alin mas maganda guys. Let's go. So, ito siya yung black guys. I really like the black. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Ayan. Black is beautiful guys. Ayan. I really like it. Pak. Black is beautiful. Ganyan siya guys. Ang ganda ng black. I really like it. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, I like it guys. So I can dance, you can dance. Ayan, I like it guys. Black is beautiful. Ayan, so maganda siya guys. Now black and pink, black pink. Ayan, so maganda siya. Comment below which one do you like, the first one or the second one. Ayan. Thank you for watching everyone. Salamat po.